Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Wassce 2019 Mathematics Objective Test. This is question 5. If 7 plus y is equal to 4 mod 8, find the least value of y, which is 10 less than or equal to y, or less than or equal to 30. Now it means y will be between the range of 10 to 30. Now it might be any number from 10 to 30, including 10 and 30 will be the value of y, the least positive value of y when it is in this equation. This is the equation given: 7 plus y equal to 4 mod 8. Now this is a modular operation, and then the value of y always have the properties of divisor, quotient and remainder. The divisor, the quotient and the remainder. Now it will be in this format: 7 plus y mod 4 is the same thing as saying 7 plus y equals 8 into q, which is the quotient, plus 4. Now the quotient can be any number from 0, 1, 2, 3, and the quotient can be any of those numbers. Since the answer is what? 4. Since the value is 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Now these are the range of the quotient. Now if the quotient is 0, this is what we'll have. Now if the quotient is 0, it will have 7 plus y equals 8 into 0 plus 4. Now if we solve further, we'll have 7 plus y equals to what? 8 into 0, that's 0 plus 4 equals to 4. So y will be equal to minus 3. Now they say our value should be between 10 and 30. Minus 3 is not close. It's not close to the value at all, so it's not the answer. We'll try our q. We'll make our q 1. If our q is 1, we'll have 7 plus y equals what? 8 into q. 8 into 1 plus 4. Now it's asking us for the least value of y. That's why we are starting from the smallest values. Now 7 plus y equals to 8 into 1. Now what we'll have if we solve like this, we'll have 7 plus y equals 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we'll have that our y will be equal to 12 minus 7, which is 5. Now 5 is not the answer. It's not close because it's not between 10 to 30. So this is not the answer. Now we say, okay, let's make our q 2. The quotient is now 2. So we still have 7 plus y equals what? 8 into 2 plus 4. Now 7 plus y equals 8 into 2, that's 16 plus 4, that's 20. 7 plus y is equal to 20. So y now, okay, let me come up here because of space. Y is equal to what? 20 minus 7. From this solution here, from here, 7 plus y equals to 8 into 2 plus 4. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 4, that's 20. So 7 plus y equals to 20. So our y is now 20 minus 7, which is 13. Now you agree with me that 13 is between the range 10 to 30. 13 is between 10 to 30. So it is very close, and it is the answer. 13 is the least value of y if 7 plus y is equal to 4 mod 8. So our answer will be B, 13. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.